Old to Gold world, where legends are reborn. Multiple animal species confirmed. Hazardous life present in the vehicle. Trigger advanced rescue protocol. Apex predator safety takes priority. Retreat slowly.
Response team, this is Phoenix 1. Wolves and cubs located beneath the supercar. Multiple predators confirmed. We need immediate coordinated extraction. Understood. Phoenix 1. Response team en route. Stand by.
Cobra on the car. Requesting immediate tactical wildlife extraction. Repeat, immediate extraction required. Eagles nested. Contact rescue. Assess chicks. Copy that. Gear inbound. Prepare for extraction.
Deploy tiger crates near the west flank.
Copy that. Moving tiger crates.
Check tranquilizers. Status green. Initiate perimeter search. Move with caution.
Bengal Tiger family secures. King Cobra secured. Golden Eagles locked. Gray wolves are in. All species captured humanely. Operation complete.
Convoy engines confirmed. All wildlife arriving safely at the sanctuary. Copy. Beast's mechanical rebirth officially commencing.
Chains secured.
Stabilizers engaging.
Load balance optimal. Ready for transport. Keep a tight formation.
Receiving you.
Status green. Moving towards civilization.
Keep the pace. Iron Forge is just ahead. The resurrection is in sight.
All right, initial structural scans are complete. Good. What's the preliminary assessment on the wing door? Extensive heat warping, but salvageable with a custom fabrication plan. All right, initial structural scans are complete. Good. What's the preliminary assessment on the wing door? Extensive heat warping, but salvageable with a custom fabrication plan.
Aquaforce system online. Check nozzle integrity. Status green. Pressure at 5,000 psi. Ready for test. Initiating first test burst. Stand clear. Initiating explosive pressure sweep. Debris removal at maximum velocity. Drainage systems at capacity. Structural assessment ready. Initiating volcanic cleaning protocol. Confirmed. Platform rotating rapidly. Targeted bursts engaged. Structural integrity becoming visible. Assessment protocols ready for clean surface. The restoration begins. Initiate debris removal. Documentation complete. Begin assessment. Penetrating blast sequence. Hold steady. Debris clearing. Assessment initiated. System looks stable. Nothing stops us. Old to Gold world. Terminals secured. Alternator mounted. Ignition test complete. Voltage readings verified. Draining complete. Installing new radiator. Hoses connected, sir. Radiator cap secure. Pressure test commencing. All systems nominal. Cooling restored.
All right, time to pull these burnt components. Impact wrench, quick. Nice. Socket wrench on the new ones. Click, click.
Thermal stress detected.
Structural failure confirmed.
Mark those sectors.
The Phoenix Inferno. Brand new structural steel has arrived. We'll shape these panels with absolute precision.
The Phoenix begins its resurrection. This new wing geometry will push it far beyond its original design.
Rhythmic welding percussion echoes as the Inferno's joints fuse. Structural integrity restored through professional expertise. All welds cooled on Phoenix Inferno frame. Magnetic testing complete. Structural integrity verified. Fabrication phase complete. Precision engaged. Structural integrity achieved. Verified. The preliminary scans confirm significant thermal damage, but the foundation is sound. We can restore it.
We restore the impossible. Old to gold world.
New valves installed, retainers snapping into secure position. Valve timing is optimal. Rocker arm geometry checked. Valve train assembly complete.
The Meridian Engine Lab receives brand new forged pistons. Installing these requires exact gap specifications. Precision measurement confirmed. The journal tolerances are within specifications. Polishing to a mirror finish. The grinding. Main bearings secured to exact specifications. Pistons glide in perfectly. Final clicks complete the assembly. The Meridian Engine Lab is performing comprehensive valve service on the Phoenix Inferno, installing new valves with precise measurements.
Dynamometer engaged. Oil pressure optimum. Horsepower exceeds factory specifications. All right, careful now. Just a little lower. Hold it there. Perfect alignment. Lock it in. Time to verify measurements and continue the build.
Transmission engaging. Verified alignment. Torque set to specification. Securing drive shaft.
Engine management connected. Check. Lighting circuits integrated. Check. Dashboard completed. Gauges sweeping. Systems operational.
The Phoenix panels are positioned and ready. We'll start with the front fender.
Wing doors are hung and operating correctly.
Precision in every millimeter. The wing doors fit perfectly. Exterior assembly complete. Time for systems check.
Door release. Smooth mechanical operation. Hydraulic assist verified. Weather strip seal conformed. Systems complete.
Panel alignment checked.
Systems integrated.
Assembly is complete.
The Phoenix Fire Orange Metallic is ready. A perfect match, sir.
The electrical connections are secure. Turn on the lights. Verified. Now for the final coating.
Transmission smooth, tires on stage confirmed, steering rotating, brakes immediate, reverse engaged, systems flawless.
And here it is, the 1987 Phoenix Inferno Supercar. Absolutely stunning. What a transformation. This is a masterpiece. The Phoenix rises. And now, the reveal of the 1987 Phoenix Inferno Kerno, a testament to restoration perfection. System check complete. Prepare for launch. Validating performance. Stand by. Performance validation begins now. The Phoenix has risen. Go, go, go! We did it. Competitive success achieved. The Phoenix Inferno is back.
Yes, absolute competitive success. Restoration validated.
The Phoenix Inferno, a legend reborn. Competitive success achieved. Phoenix legacy established. The 1987 Phoenix Inferno Supercar, a testament to restoration, a symbol of conservation.
The journey begins. The Phoenix has returned to Emberfall. Welcome, Master Restorer. The sanctuary awaits the celebration.
The Phoenix has risen.
Gold restoration complete. On to the sanctuary.
All right, we're here. They're reacting already. That's amazing. Careful approach, everyone. Documentation starting. Welcome, my friends. It's been too long. They remember you. Take it slow, sir. Let's begin the reunion. Subscribe for more legendary wildlife rescues and restorations. You're home. Look at them. We brought them home. It's perfect. Welcome, friends. Behold the Phoenix, reunited with its family.
Did it!
This is unbelievable.